Hey guys, please check out this awesome machine behind me. Kimura Grey Audi RS3 saloon. Bit more of a blue colour than a grey, but anyway it's a stunning colour. This will be the owner's daily driver, so he not only wanted it to look its absolute best from day one, but also be extremely easy to keep looking this good. So with our new car protection detail, which includes giving the car a light polish to remove the usual swirls and defects that all new cars arrive with. Paintwork's been fully enhanced, so you can see the depth and clarity in the finish there. And then finally, fully ceramic coated. So this is Gyeon's top level infinite ceramic coating, which is very slick and very durable, will make the car very easy to clean, as well as retaining this glossy finish. So this is every surface, so the glass, trim, paint and the wheels. The wheels were actually removed, so they could be fully coated inside the barrels and the calipers as well. If you have a new car on its way and you'd like to get it looking its absolute best and be properly protected, very easy to maintain, then drop me a message. Let's get you booked in. Thanks very much.